a knife that can save your life. In today's video, we will tell you how to defend a pistol with a knife. The first thing you need to remember is that if you have a knife with you and someone pulls a gun on you, then you can easily defend yourself with a knife. If you're holding a knife, then you have to hold it in such a way that the person in front of you even doesn't even notice, and you grab in like this position so that when you strike it immediately becomes this position. Like you are walking around holding a knife and someone pulls a pistol on you like this position. He doesn't see a knife because you are holding a knife like this way. First of all, step number 1, you have to turn your face to the side position like this way. Then cut his wrist with a knife quickly. Once more, how to do the fast like this. Now step number 2, hit a knife on his neck and grab the pistol like this position. Now again cut and snatch the pistol from him. Guys, now we'll show you this technique from the other side so you can understand better. So you're walking and he pulls a pistol on you. So step number 1, cut like this. Now again cut and hold the pistol in this position. Now again cut on his neck and snatch the pistol. Guys, now I'll show you in first position how it works in real. Guys, hope you like this video. So guys, please support our channel, and if you want to learn more interesting techniques, then subscribe our channel and share our video with your friends. So don't forget press the bell icon. Thank you.